Aussie, Aussie, Aussie care.
Yung church where Sophia was baptized. Huh? Where are you going, ate? To Savvy House. Kami ng lechon. You wanna pee also? Uti! Here's our lechon.
Not like a pig.
A pig, yeah. Biya. Fresh from Bohol. Panagsarati ay. Hello. Di ba igo? Igo ti? Putla lang nagdiil. Oh, dada, dinuguan. Ay, in the inside na no.
More moments later.
Yeah, stop muna kami kasi Kyle wants milk. Milk. And Auntie is there. So warm. Yes, we have the lechon here. Amoy lechon. Ay, hindi nakikita. Amoy lechon yung aming mga labs, yung aming car. Ayan. Ayan si Mr. Kyle. Dada's gonna buy some cola. Si Dada ng cola kasi ano daw, yung tiyan niya kahapon tapos kumain ng Burger King, hindi daw nag-settle. So kailangan niya uminom ng soft drinks. Teka lang. Dada's back. I-clean up lang ako dito. Here.
Someone's telling me to get in and drive. Hey.
Huh?
Someone's telling me to get in and drive.
Who? Oh.
Yeah, I did like this to Dada, and I say this.
What did you say to Dada? Aha.
Mama, you know, I just did that.
Do you know? Yeah.
I just told Dada to
At?
Dada couldn't hear me.
Oh, I can smell it better on you.
Now, yeah. Lekker.
Coca-Cola. Cola. Monkey Cola.
No, Dada needs it for his slipper.
We're here. Huh? Yeah, let him sleep. Yeah.
No, that's more.
Pas mo, yeah. Yes. Yeah, hope so. Yes. Come on, go inside. Happy birthday to you. Come on, ate, inside. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Who is that? There's a ninja here. My God.
Hello.
There's a ninja. Happy birthday. Hey, the unicorn. The unicorn. Hey. Happy birthday to you. Yeah. Hiya. Paksi. Ito ara. Ha.
Kuya.
Asa si Sabi? Sabi!
Sabi, pasaway. 5 and 3.
Bakit 5? Di ba day 6 si Savi?
Ay, guys, 6 na di.
Bakit 5, 6? 6 is to Savi.
Wait. 6 and 3, ah?
Nice.
Happy birthday.
Happy
Na Chloe well kay Lena. Makdat? Warom nit. Shush, 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 shush. Oh, shush, shush, shush. Tungog. Hoy, Valentina! We are home, mga loves. We are back home. Ay, dito na kami sa bed. Si Kyle. This is Kyle. Ayan, no. Nag-ano pa siya. Nagganon-ganon. Nalibang man. Dahil busy yan siya sa ano. Nalibang yan. O pumupupo yan, ha? Sino yung baby na yan? Yeah? Ha? So, nakauwi na kami. After 2 hours, nakarating na kami dito sa bahay. And then, si Kyle, hindi man lang umiyak sa car. Ako din tulog na tulog. Si Dada lang yung gising. Si ate din tulog. Ngayon, si ate na sa baba. Kyle is going to sleep soon. Nagdidi na siya. Tapos, pero, ano kasi, tumatay ba? Hindi pa yan tapos. May linisin ko yan. Oh. So, ang daming bisita ni Daival. Maraming salamat for having us. So, ayun, nakabring home kami ng lechon. Gusto pala niya yung rindang. Di ba sinabi? Sinabi niya pa, ano, nagdala ako. Hindi kasi niya sinabi. Yung lechon. Ubos yung lechon. Sarap yung lechon. Ay, minsan-minsan kakain tayo ng lechon. No? Yes? Notice that, huh? Yeah. Ayan. So, mga loves, thank you for watching our vlog. And happy birthday ulit kay Sabi tsaka kay Elena. Ayaw sana umuwi pa ni ate. Pero, we need to come home kasi may duty si mama bukas. Papasok ako bukas ng maaga. So, early ako bukas, mga loves. Good night and see you in our next vlog. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.